would explain why it's turning and I don't want it to. There's something in there?
Where?
Wait a minute. If you want to go ahead. I gotta check something. It sounds like there's something on the fan.
It sounds fine.
No, it sounds different.
Is this a stock fan or a different?
It's stock. But it sounds like there's something in there. And there is.
Bonafide or did
There is. There's something in there.
How is there? Oh, like a piece of grass?
There, that's better. There was a stick in there.
Did you bonafide yourself?
No, I bought it this way.
I was bought this way!
Yeah, instead of born this way. There was a stick in there, and I just blew it out.
Okay.
I think. I hope.
Yeah, that cheetah was not
It's not the best place.
the smartest.
No. Alright, well, hopefully it's not going to do anything bad. Let's see. Yeah. It's still there, but I guess it'll blow out. It's behind the fan, so I'm not worried about it.
Yeah, that's less critical.
I hope. We'll find out.
China
Go.
cleared.
Less wind now, too.
Gear up.
Woohoo! The wheels went in! I can't even see you.
Stealth, baby.
Literally. I can't see the plane. It's blending in.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Whoa, we were close. I didn't realize you were right there.
That was my bad. I was trying to get away.
Flying like a crazy person, man. What the heck? I can't even see you. Normally I can see where you are, but you're like all over the damn place. Like, shit, Frank. It's alright. Do what you're doing. It's fine. It's just funny because normally you're all calm and collected. Now you're like, wah, wah, wah. On the deck right by us. Flying like you're mad at it. Sheesh.
Seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Let me check and see if the gear are going to come down.
2, 1. Time expired. Gear down.
Woohoo! All three came down. I'm coming in. I'm coming in. Woo! Thank you.
Did you see it?
Sheesh, and I'm like, oh my god, I gotta check my gear.
That was the craziest landing ever.
You flew, I've never seen you fly like that. My god, you're flying like you're angry.
Did you see that? I went out, full speed, gear down, flaps.
Bang, I know. No setup, no nothing. Just... Wow. I gotta check all my gear because I bounced the crap out of it. Yeah. And then, because I'm too busy thinking about the damn puddle. Like, where's the puddle? Oh, I got the puddle. No, dog.